beautiful people, how are you doing? I hope hey my beautiful people, how are you doing? I hope you're all having a fantastic day, a beautiful Sunday. Today I'll be doing a little unboxing for you guys. Yes, it's a temu unboxing. I already popped the bag, guys, because I did the video and I never realized that you weren't seeing the clothes, so I have to do it over. Oh my god. Now over here, I go by the name T Blair Cooking. Over here, I do mostly local cooking and some international cooking as well. And I start doing some vlogs now. Alright, so let me just show you what I get from Temu. This is a cardigan. And this is such a beautiful one. Look at this one, guys. It is so nice. Super nice. Super nice, guys. Oh my god, this is so nice. Just look. This is good with anything. Whether you're wearing a jeans or tees, you can just drop this over. You're wearing a dress or a blouse and skirt. Yes, this one is so good and the material is super nice. You can see for yourself. Alright. So let's just put this one aside. Next, I have this little dress. This is going to bite me up in this one, but I really like it. It's a little casual dress. It comes with a lap at the front ear. Yeah, ear right here is open, so you have to pin it with a brooch or something, and it's flare at the bottom. Come with a little flare at the bottom with a nice little sleeve, and the material can done. Trust me, it's good. And you have a little strap around the waist. This one is good for, casual wearing to the mall, or going to have some coffee with your friends, or even at church if you want to. You can wear this one as well. And now this one is a hugging. This one hugs your body. I see this little dress and I love it so much. It's against the material and it's not too thin. It is good, super nice, and it has long sleeve and it's body fitting. It is so nice, and I also like the blue and the white shade. It complements my body, guys. It just complements me. I like it. Very nice. And I should tell you, these PJs, I also get this one over there, and I also get these glasses, and I also get these glasses as well. And I like how them fit. Comment down below and tell me if you like how them fit. I really like how them fit because I decided on changing my glasses. So I say I'm going to use this frame. Comment down below and let me know if you like it. And guys, where's my next tea? So guys, I have another one. Where it is? Alright. Guys, I have another tea. Oh, right here before me, guys. I'm sitting on it. Anyways, my favorite, in all of them is my favorite, guys. My favorite. But my most favorite is these two. These two, and I'm going to tell you why. Now this says, God got me, my peace. Look at it, guys. God got me, my peace and my joy. And I'm sure you agree with me. You understand? These are my most favorite. All right? But look at this one. Look, I love this one so much. I think this is the first one I'm going to wear Guys, I love this too much. Look at this and look at what it says. If you bring up my path, you should know that Jesus dropped the charges. If you bring up my path, you should know that Jesus dropped my charges. And you know, a lot of folks, they love to bring up your passes. But it's who is you and you and you to bring up my past when Jesus dropped my charges? Look at this, guys. Oh my God. This one is my favorite. Tell me. Tell me about it. Yeah. So this is it. Until next time. See you in another beautiful video, my beautiful people. So until next time, see you in another